Hey, what's going on, Kings? We back out here again, trying to rip these lips. Y'all know what we do. After these crappie, man, it don't stop. We gotta get them. Today, I'm out here. Y'all ain't seen that cat in a minute.
The running man.
But I'm out here with the running man. We out here trying to get them. And let y'all see what I'm fishing with. Get over here to my rods. Y'all can see what we're fishing with here. I got my two ACC 8-foot super grip medium fast session rods with me. Both are loaded with high vis suffix. That's a 5,000. That's a 2,000 Yumamushu. Both of them Yumamushu. Slip floats, barrel swivels, two number 3 split shots, two number 2 true turn hooks. One at 2 feet, one gonna be at about 2.5. Now one is at 1 foot, the other gonna be about 2 feet. And I want to give a shout out, Talkin Tackle, Greg, all them over there at Talkin Tackle. Y'all go holler at them. They got the best prices on the minnows in town. So you out in the Hixson area, as soon as you pass the entrance like going into Chester Frost, right in the curve, you'll see Talkin Tackle. You can't miss it. They got the best prices in town. So y'all go holler at them. Talkin Tackle. But y'all stay tuned. We finna try to rip these lips. All right. And we out here with live bait. And we came out just out the front. We're gonna put this theory to the test to see do these crappie really bite out the front. Rain front just moved through about maybe 2 hours ago. You can see it's still cloudy out here. So stay tuned. Got something coming in here, King. Look like, yep, it's one of them boys. Drag Tulu. Oh, he took that. Yes, sir. He took that. Yeah, he did. Shoot. He took that one, King. That little fucker heavy. Let's get him out of here. Yeah, he choked that. He choked that, people. He wanted that big minnow. Got something coming in here, King. That's a stripe. It's swimming towards me. Striper, King. Water cold. He look white, but he yellow. He gone.
Yeah, that's what I call yellow bass.
Yeah. Another yellow belly, people. Another yellow belly. Gotta watch these things, they will cut you. He gone.
And them damn catfish.
Another little strike, King.
He said we got 2 choices. He said I can take because he just pulled in with his boat.
He gone. Running man got him one over there. Another striper. And them things right there gonna eat. They gonna eat. They'll hit any side minnow. They don't care. Got a stripe over there. All right, Kings, I'm getting a bite. Let's see what he do. Hold on. Let's see what he do.
Usually I catch something out here, I either throw them back or give them something back.
Now me personally, 10, 11 inch fish, I don't keep. Mine gotta be 12 and better. Crappie. 12 and better. I ain't taking them babies home. They'll take up too much room in my freezer. The one I just caught, I gave it to him. I like them horses. It's like one of them boys, it might be. Yep. One of them boys, people. One of them boys, King. You think he? Yeah, I think he ain't little. He gone. One coming in, King. Feel like a strike. And that's what he is. A strike. Whole strike. He gone, people. Oh, it's one of them boys. Yes, sir. He a little fat something. I'm sorry, Kings is one of them boys. Man, I was trying to get off that phone. And he tried to backdoor me. Little fat sucker. Yes, sir. Sorry about that one, Kings. Just caught this one too. You see both of them out the water. That one float, that other float. Just pulled him in. Yes, sir. And make 3. All right, people. Yes, sir. Some little coming in, Kings. What is this little thing? Little strike. Little. Didn't even kill the minnow. Little. He gone. Running man got something down there. Got him in the tree. There he come. Like he putting up a fight. You got there. Catfish.
Mud cat.
Oh, a flathead?
Oh.
You got a flathead down there, King. Getting a nibble on this side. We're gonna see if he's gonna take it. Oh, she was smaller. It'd be nice if he was smaller. What the hell going on?
Fight with him a little bit, but it's a good one.
That's nice. Oh yeah. Flathead, people.
Good old Jamie.
Oh, flathead. What he doing down there? Boy, if he was smaller. Flathead King. I don't know if you can see that float. That one there. Got one there. And one over there. That one in the tree, not ours. It's pretty out here. Wind don't die down. It don't got flat out here. But hell, when the wind died down, like the crappie stopped biting. Well, Kings, this journey done came to an end. I'm tapping out. We caught a few as usual, lost a few as usual. But we close. We are very close, Kings. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all, the subscribers. I really do. We are very close. We at 800 and something. So we very close. So keep doing what y'all doing. I appreciate every last one of y'all. And I want to shout out the Yugoslavia guy that's in Atlanta that's watching the channel. I appreciate you. I really do. Homeboy from Atlanta been hitting me up, telling me about you. I don't know your name, but I appreciate you. And those that's watching and not subscribed, please subscribe. It's free to do so. You might just be entertained. You might learn a little something. But like I said, we was fishing with these 8-foot ACC crappie sticks. Super grip, medium fast action, live bait under my coat in the bucket. I didn't keep no fish, Kings, none. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna head home. And before I say, Running Man, you got something you want to say to the people?
For the right paint job.
What he said. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll get a video that I post. I ain't forgot about the request that some of y'all asked for. They coming. Don't forget, they coming. All right, y'all stay tuned. Peace. And again, keep fishing for the right paint job.